Hey guys, Sprite here from Condé Systems, and today I'm going to introduce you to our air fresheners and 3D ornaments. These are made out of felt and they're really easy to do, they're super unique, and they come with their own retail bag and string for hanging. So let me show you how to do it. These felt ornaments and air fresheners are just so unique and so cool. We have the three-dimensional ones, we have your standard flat ones. They come pre-cut on sheets. We have a couple that come in singles, but every single one has their own retail packaging that comes with the ornament. So you are ready to display it however you want in your store. It's so easy. To do it, all you're gonna need is some Pro Spray, a lint roller, your heat gloves, transfer, and protective paper. Let's go ahead and press a couple. So today we're going to do the entire sheet, but you have the option to do one at a time, which makes this product ideal for people with smaller printers and smaller presses to start getting into that retail market. The first thing we're going to do is lint roll the front and the back of your ornament. You always want to lint roll to get rid of any debris and fibers that may be on your substrate, especially on this felt. Now that I've lint rolled my felt, I want to affix my image to it. I'm going to do that using Conde's Pro Spray. So this is our spray adhesive that is formulated specially for sublimation. When I do this, I want to make sure to do it over a garbage can so the stickiness doesn't get on my floor. Now I want to align my product onto the image. Now we go to the press. First thing I want to do is put down a sheet of protective paper, followed by my transfer and my product with my transfer face down. I'm gonna top it off with another piece of protective paper, and then we're pressing it. Be sure to check Conde.com for all of our latest instructions. So I'm gonna let this cool, and then we're gonna do the exact same procedure on the other side. So now we're gonna move on to our 3D ornaments. I am incredibly excited about these because they're really unlike anything on the market. I've seen a couple of these, but none of them that are customizable. So this is really gonna open up a whole new industry for you. They come in a couple of different sizes. We've got the heart, the triangle, and the round one, which we're gonna press for you today. So this triangle one is really, really versatile. Not only can it be an ornament and an air freshener, but you can also use it as retail packaging. As I recently received a piece of jewelry in a box very similar to this, but with this technology, you can customize it, put your logo on it, put the customer's name on it. It just opens up a whole new avenue. So just like before, we want to lint roll to get rid of any debris that may be on our felt. So this is where it's a little different. We're doing the circle today because I wanted to show you how to line it up on your transfer. As you can see, I have two pieces that need to be sublimated on both sides. So I have 4 images laid out on this sheet. So we want to start by doing one side of each piece. So I'm going to cut these 2 away. And just like before, we're going to use our Pro Spray to affix our image to our ornament. Now we go to the press. The first thing I'm going to do is put down my protective paper, followed by my transfer and my product, transfer face down, and then top it off with a piece of protective paper. And once again, for these, we're going to do the same thing on the second side, and then we're going to come back and I'll show you how to put it together. So with a material like the felt, when I take it out of the heat press after pressing the second side, I like to sandwich it in between 2 heavy pieces of wood or metal or whatever you have, and that it keeps it flat and makes it look a little more professional. Now that everything has been pressed, it's time to assemble and package it. So our heart is really easy. You just open it up and you have this great 3-dimensional look. That's really, really cute. The circle, the first thing I'm going to do is use a pin to pop out my center hole I'm just going to place them together. And look at that, it makes a full image. So I'm going to place my cord in it. Tie the top. And it's ready to be packaged. The triangle is a little different. So we take it, fold the sides up, use our string to keep the package together. So you just kind of weave it in and out. You want to tie a knot to keep it closed. And then also tie a knot at the top. So now that we've got our 3D ornaments assembled, it's time to bag them. So like I said, these can be used for retail packaging, they can be used for ornaments, and they can also be used for air fresheners. I like to let the customers scent the fresheners themselves because a lot of people have scent preferences or scent allergies. Also, the essential oils are really easy to get now. You can get them at Walmart or the dollar store. The essential oils are sold separately, but let me show you how to apply them. So I have just a Q-tip and some essential oil. I'm gonna apply some to the Q-tip, and I'm gonna run it along the edge of the air freshener. This is going to ensure that the fibers don't run, and so the image stays intact. You can put as much or as little as you want, and then after that, you apply the cord, and you stick it in the bag, and it's ready to sell. These things are amazing. These 3D ones are not on the market yet, which opens up a huge potential for you to be first out the gate selling this amazing product. These would be great at car dealerships, car detail places, save the date ornaments. They're really, really great. So be sure to contact your Conde account representative today to learn all about our new felt ornaments and air fresheners. This is Sprite from Condé Systems. Happy sublimating.